Do you wish to eliminate urgent overhauls to zero possibility at the final stage of SDM turnaround and disruptions by the poor condition of valve motion immediately after startup? Do you wish to commence production activities even 1 day sooner than up to now? Introducing Azbil's Control Valve Maintenance Support System. It provides online diagnosis that contributes to the early detection of poorly conditioned control valves when the plant is in operation. During SDM turnaround, it can provide offline diagnosis, which increases accuracy and speeds up commissioning time in combination with Azbil's Smart Valve Positioner. Azbil recommends performing automated step response test check at 3 points in the plant's operation. It is now possible to detect any defective valves by heart communication, which were previously overlooked, therefore eliminating cases of emergency overhauls to zero. The first is before operation startup, where control valves are in good conditions to obtain benchmark indexes. The second is immediately after shutdown and before overhaul. The system will perform step response test on all valves, including those not scheduled for overhaul during this turnaround maintenance. It is possible to detect sliding abnormalities such as overshooting and hunting, valves that cannot fully open to 100% due to scale adhesion, and valves where 0 point is shifted to the negative direction due to erosion, which were previously overlooked. The third step response test is after overhaul to check the effectiveness and accuracy of the overhaul work. Step response test by Azbil's Control Valve Maintenance Support System can be executed simultaneously for maximum 16 units of control valves. Reports are automatically generated and it is non-dependent on an individual judgment. The workload for valve tests is dramatically reduced. Azbil's Control Valve Maintenance Support System provides automated AO loop check function for commissioning to reduce workload at the final stage of construction. This is a case example where a massive 95% reduction in workload is achieved for AO loop check connected to 600 valves. Normally it will take 12 days, but using Azbil's Control Valve Maintenance Support System, we can complete AO loop check for 600 valves in just 1 day. Azbil's Control Valve Maintenance Support System is a revolutionary product that utilizes cutting-edge technology to accurately eliminate any possibility of an emergency overhaul during valve's operation and contributes drastically to speed up the commissioning time. Time is money. Think about it. If your plant were able to start production even 1 day earlier, how much profit could be gained?